How to draw anime boyfull body for beginner. Let us first draw the areas. Let's draw a fan art. Draw a head and neck on the top part. How to draw points? Just draw lines for the top of the head and the soles of the feet. Let's split it equally. Divide the upper part into 3 equal parts. Then these 3 parts are the upper body. The lower part is the legs. We are within range of this location. Go draw a standing person. You can add some character dynamics to him. After drawing the character dynamics, how do you want to draw? We can refer to his clothes and accessories. Then I painted Nyoni. I want to draw a soaring gesture. So toes down will exceed this bottom line. Lift this leg a little for him. No ruler found. Just use this piece of paper as a ruler for him. This hand made a pinching motion for him. This is how we draw and change at the same time. If something feels uncomfortable, we will correct it. Now change the dynamics of your hand. I also feel like my arms are a bit thicker and I want to make them thinner. In this way, the general dynamics have been grown. Let's draw his facial features, his hair, his clothes and accessories. Let's look for a faint light image. Accessorize according to his clothes. Just draw it upwards for him. The last thing is a fake fan picture. Still 2.0 version 快速 limited surprise. Comment an iron star dome in the comment area. Real dome. Any keywords such as train pioneer, Pinocchio, etc. You can unlock limited Easter eggs. I heard that friends or like it can also receive small Easter eggs. Next time we'll thicken it for him. Underline a human figure in the drawing. Let us keep our hands steady and don't shake them, then just hook a line. This brand is Goma. It's much cheaper than Sakura's. You can search it. Very smooth and smooth. Let's wipe off a pencil paste. Finally, we chose. For the final ones, I used 0.05 to check the color. The arrangement of shadows and details are all fine. Use a thinner one. Arranging the cables feels quite relaxing, relieves stress. We have to take care of small details and shadows. sure enough, once the lines are streamlined, it will look better. It is not like a messy lines in a draft. It's done. I want to paint him some color. It looks like I'm painting the air. In fact, I am painting the air. Then I drew another dragon and painted it too. Let's just say, how can you know what I'm painting unless you see it at the end? Apple Day.